Welcome to the tutorial session of connecting your drone. Skip login and proceed with connecting your drone. All newly added features are seen here. Go to the Connect option. Select Serial from the options. Select the necessary options mentioned from the drag down. You can now proceed with connecting the drone. And it would be successfully connected. To connect with TCP port, adjust port numbers of listening port manually. Now TCP port is connected. Similarly, you can connect UDP port. By selecting Bluetooth, AeroGCS KEA enables you to directly connect through Bluetooth. This is how you can connect your drone with minimum efforts. Thank you for watching AeroGCS KEA tutorial video.